This game-changing niche could make you go viral and start earning thousands of dollars from YouTube AdSense fast. This niche has a huge audience, but very few channels, so it's not crowded and offers quick growth. The best part, it's super easy to automate with AI. The niche is deep ocean facts and mysteries. With just 179 videos, this channel has amassed a whopping 859K subscribers and over 96 million views. Before diving into the money estimates, let's review the channel's monetization status. We'll paste the channel URL to confirm it's monetized. It's proof that this channel is monetized. In the past 30 days alone, it's racked up 1 million views. As this channel falls into the educational niche, the RPM is likely around $4. This means the channel could have earned roughly $5,000 in just the last month. The amazing thing is, you can achieve this entirely with AI, without showing your face. Let's dive into one of their videos to get a glimpse of what we're about to create.
Surviving in the deep sea is no easy task. With fierce competition, no sunlight, and scarce food and nutrients, organisms at these depths have developed a number of peculiar lifestyles in response to such an extreme environment.
Notice how straightforward yet impactful that was. Ocean fact videos are incredibly popular, but the scarcity of top-notch channels in this niche presents a golden opportunity for you. So in this video, let's see how you can make a better video than this and build a faceless YouTube automation business. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Your ideas will catch fire and draw in more viewers. To truly stand out, you need to infuse a unique angle into your ocean content, and that will yield great results. So head over to ChatGPT and ask for fresh video ideas for your Ocean Facts channel. Now, ChatGPT given the unique list of video ideas. I'm going with this idea, the deepest secrets of the ocean's midnight zone. Once you have your idea, it is time to bring your video to life. There are several AI tools available for this, but the most straightforward one I've discovered is Fliki AI. It can generate a ready-to-publish YouTube video from a simple text prompt, eliminating the need for any video editing on your part. All the footage, music, and voiceovers it generates are completely royalty-free, so you can rest assured your videos will be ready for monetization with zero hassle. Click the link in the description to dive into Fliki AI, sign up and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, hit New File and enter your title as the file name. Choose Aspect Ratio Landscape for those long-form videos and start with an idea prompt. Now, hit Submit. Now, set the duration for your video. I'm opting for a 2-minute length. In the idea prompt section, simply enter your topic. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the topic, and then return to Fliki AI to paste it into the prompt area. Once you've done that, hit Submit and let Fliki AI work its magic. Fliki AI crafts a scene outline perfectly tailored to your prompt. Voiceovers play a crucial role in the success of a YouTube video. While you can opt for a generic AI voice, using your own voice adds a unique touch that's hard to replicate. I know you might not want to spend hours recording voiceovers though. Fliki AI has a great feature that lets you clone your own voice, so you can use it in all your videos. And the best part, the process is incredibly straightforward. Let me walk you through it. Head over to the Accounts section. On the left sidebar, you'll find the option for voice cloning. Select it, then click on Clone Voice. Give your voice a name, choose the gender, and scroll down to hit Start Recording. Use your microphone to record your voice. Just read the statement along with your full name in the tone you want. Once you're finished, click Submit. Fliki AI will handle the rest, but it might take up to an hour or more. When your voice is ready, you'll receive an approved message. Then, you can use your voice in all your videos. Now, head back to our editing panel. Let's start with the background music. Click on Background Audio and pick a music genre. I'm opting for a cinematic style. I'll go with this track. After selecting your background music, it's time to set up the voiceover. Click on Scenes and choose Voiceover. You can either pick your cloned voice or select an ultra-realistic voice option. Once you've made your choice, hit the play button to start generating your video.
Of the ocean's midnight zone. The ocean's midnight zone, or abyssopelagic zone, is a place of eternal darkness, lying between 1,000 to 4,000 meters below the surface. It's a world beyond sunlight's reach.
Next, let's tackle the video captions. Start by selecting your script and then click on Current Caption on the screen. On the right sidebar, go to Subtitle. Align your text by setting both Align Text and the Vertical Align to center. Then, choose the perfect font for your video under Fonts. You can adjust the font size easily by dragging the slider on the right. Scroll down to pick the bubble and fill options. Finally, click Apply to all scenes to finalize your changes.
Deepest secrets of the ocean's midnight zone. The ocean's midnight zone, or abyssal plages.
Now, head over to the settings and adjust the gap between scenes to 1 second to make your voiceover flow more naturally. Once that's set, we're ready for the final setup. Here, you'll see that all the video footage is automatically generated by Fliki based on your script. If the footage doesn't quite match your script or if you're not happy with it, you can make adjustments with just a few clicks. For instance, to change a visual, select the scene and click on Media. Type in the visuals you need and choose the ones that fit your script. Alternatively, if you prefer AI to select the visuals for you, just click Auto Pick and it'll handle the rest. Once you're happy with the result, you can download the video by simply clicking Download. Here is the final result. Just take a look.
The deepest secrets of the ocean's midnight zone. The ocean's midnight zone, or abyssopelagic zone, is a place of eternal darkness, lying between 1,000 to 4,000 meters below the surface. It's a world beyond sunlight's reach. In this deep, dark layer, creatures have adapted to survive in extreme conditions. The pressure is crushing, and the temperature is near freezing. One of the most fascinating inhabitants is the anglerfish. It uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the pitch-black depths, a true testament to nature's ingenuity. The abyssal octopus is another marvel. With its long, translucent tentacles, it glides gracefully through the water, hunting for food. Its ability to withstand high pressure is truly astounding.
Isn't that amazing? You're all set to launch your Ocean Facts channel and start earning. Check the description for a special discount just for my followers. Use the code FLIKI10 to get 10% off on monthly plans. What are you waiting for? Get started on your YouTube journey now. Make sure to use Fliki AI to publish videos regularly and always design your title and thumbnail before uploading. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and keep hustling.